Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to save some time when working with Excel and trying to adjust the columns to fit the data. I have spent many hours throughout my lifetime of using Excel, of continually moving the columns to stretch, to shrink, to fit the data. I wish I would have known this trick years ago because I got tired of going up here and moving this out so it would fit the data. Okay, here is a little trick. Go down here to the tab that you're working on, right click and view code. When you get to this, go up to this section right here, hit the drop down and select worksheet. Now what you're going to want to type in here is going to be cells dot entire column dot auto fit. Okay, that's all you need. Now, go ahead and close this, and when you start using your Excel spreadsheet, it will automatically fit to the column. So we're going to put date in here, okay? Maybe we're going to put product in here. And you can see how it starts adjusting to this. Okay, what if I go into the date and it's like, well, wait a minute, Ken. What's going to happen if I go ahead and I type in the date? I mean, the date's going to be longer than that. Okay, so here's what we go. Today happens to be August 14th, 2024. It will automatically adjust. That will save a great amount of time, right? Thank you for viewing, and hopefully I'll come up with some other helpful videos here in the very near future.